All right, good morning, YouTube. Today is a banner day. We are going to do two milestones today. We are actually going to cross the real halfway point on the AT. Should be a sign about 5 or 6 miles in. And then we're going to do the half-gallon challenge, which is eating a half-gallon of ice cream because you have completed half of the AT. So that's what we're looking forward to today. Promise I'm going to do a little more video today. The weather is still supposed to turn this afternoon, but you know, we'll see. All right, more later. Now this is what I call some beautiful trail. Man, this feels good on my feet, and I think what Pennsylvania is doing is making us feel good before they make us hurt. So everybody knows what's coming as Pennsylvania goes on past Duncannon. But right now, dang, loving it. This is absolutely perfect. A little pine straw on the ground. Exactly what some sore feet need. So enjoying the day so far. Looks like gonna be a banner day unless all of a sudden things get real rocky and craggy real quick. All right, having the time of my life. All right, what this means is that we are at the official halfway point, meaning that in the AWOL guide, everything from this point on we start, rather than counting up, we count down. So hold on just a second. I'm going to get to that. So let me go back to it here. Hold on, we're going to get to it. Let the wind don't blow. Alright, see where it says right here, Dead Woman's Hollow, gravel at midpoint? That's exactly where we are. And see that 1096.0 and the 1094.9? Those numbers change and start going down on the left side as, I don't know if that's going to focus, there we go, as we get further down the page. So, sorry about the wind's blowing that. But pretty excited about that. That is a huge accomplishment, and we are ready to start counting down instead of counting up. All right, PT out. All right, everybody. This is one of the things that's exciting about today. Every step, excuse me, every step that I take from this point on is one step closer to Katahdin than it says further away to Springer Mountain, Georgia. So if I was to turn around and go back, it would be quicker for me to keep going all the way to Mount Katahdin than it would to be to go back to Springer Mountain. So I'm counting down the miles now. Loving every minute of it. So we're going to end up at the Pine Grove campground area and Fuller Lake area, and I'm going to get there hopefully in time to do the half-gallon challenge and wolf down some ice cream. So I am hungry right now, but I am intentionally trying to get enough energy in me to get these next 5 miles, but not enough to fill me up. So it's an interesting predicament, as I think I can do it. All right, more later. PT out. All right, so this is the permanent halfway point. So I think this is the last halfway point we're going to have to deal with. So right here, closer to Springer Mountain. Right here, closer to Mount Katahdin. All right, good stuff.
Proceeding with caution because that is a rattler.
That one is rattling.
There's no joke about that.
And he is letting us know he's got the right of way.
Wow.
Go on in there, Ringo.
I just wanted a picture. Wow.
Time to get started. I chose my favorite, vanilla. So, let's see how it goes.
Half-gallon challenge.
Half-gallon challenge.
You can do it. You can do it, man.
Hold on, it'll be 3:52 before I start, so let's see how long it takes me to do it.
Should I time you?
I'm not concerned about doing it. I'm just not concerned about it. I wonder what my time's going to be.
First bite.
That was a full gallon?
All right. You still recording?
2010, I came here and tried to do it.
Halfway done, about 15 minutes.
Fifth
Right?
of the way through it, and I was like, I'm done.
Last bite. 21 minutes. No problem. Now I'm a member of the half-gallon club. Good evening, everybody. Piled up in the tent here at Pine Grove State Park. Finished the half-gallon challenge today and getting ready to sack out. Had a very good day today. Passed a bunch of milestones, and they were all actually had to do with the halfway point. Saw us a big old rattler and made it out alive. So tomorrow we are headed to Boiling Springs, and we're going to get there. It's going to be about almost a 20-mile day tomorrow, and then the next day we're going to head into Carlisle, and that's when me and Hadassah are going to head back to Damascus and do trail days on Friday the 18th, Saturday the 19th. Sunday we'll be heading back up here. I'll be about 18 miles south of Duncannon, and see if I can make it that far when we get back. We'll see. And Hadassah's going to have to head back home, so I'm going to be on my own because Durwood and Ringo are going to move on a little bit. Hopefully I can catch up to them as time goes on, but you know, we'll see. So I am tired. The ice cream's unsettled in my belly, so time for me to go to bed. Alright, that's it for now. We'll do more tomorrow. We're planning on getting up early and leaving out of here, so life is good. PT out.